Imagine a marketplace, not where people sell vegetables or clothes, but where they trade hope. A place where an empty box could sell for $100, simply because someone believes it will be worth $120 tomorrow. Sounds unreal? That is not magic. That is the stock market. Let me explain it with a simple story. There was a small neighborhood cafe, cozy, charming, and always buzzing. People loved their signature coffee. The vibe was unique, and it slowly started gaining popularity. Now, there was a guy named Alex, a sharp thinker and an early investor. He approached the cafe owner and said, "Look, your cafe is doing great. Let me invest $100. In return, give me a small stake in your business. If it grows, we both win." The owner agreed. With that money, she upgraded the interiors, improved the coffee machine, and expanded seating. In return, Alex owned a tiny slice of the business, a share. News spread around the community. If Alex invested, there must be potential, people thought. Others now wanted a piece too. So demand rose, and the value of that same share doubled, from $100 to $200. Alex sold it, made $100 in profit. But then the cafe owner fell ill. The cafe shut down temporarily. Bad news spread. People panicked and rushed to sell their shares. The value dropped to $50. And that is where the real understanding begins. The stock market is simply a place where companies sell tiny pieces of ownership, called shares, to the public. They do this to raise money to grow faster. People who buy these shares become shareholders. When more people believe in the company's future, demand goes up, and so does the share price. But when fear kicks in, or bad news comes, prices fall. Sometimes overnight. So no, the stock market is not just about numbers or apps or charts. It is about trust, perception, and timing. If you move with logic, research, and patience, there is growth. If you follow the crowd blindly, there is loss. Guaranteed. So next time someone tells you there is a lot of money in the stock market, remember this: there is money only for those who understand how it works. If you want to become a smart investor, comment below saying, "I will be the next Alex, but with wisdom." And for more real, relatable stories like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because the next story might just change the way you think.